Oh, guys, it is hot as... Oh, God, I can't even describe it. It is absolutely sweltering. Oh, good Lord. Well, 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 look what we got here. Man. See if I can rustle up one of these Best Buy dudes. Alright, I'm leaving Best Buy. But I'm not leaving empty-handed. See, that's the thing. I don't come here unless I'm going to buy something. I don't come here just to look around. You know, sometimes I do, but usually I'm going to buy something, even if it's a battery. Oh, it's miserably hot in here. Oh. These things aren't hot because I have the car parked in the shade, so it's not really hot in my trunk. But there it is. So we'll go home, and then tomorrow I'll pop it open and fart around with it. It'll be okay. There's some bread. I'm out of bread. I couldn't even make a sandwich today. I just had to eat the lunch meat and roll it up. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.